Let's be honest, building a real safety culture at work, it's not just about slapping rules on a wall or hosting another boring, checking the box training. It starts with leadership. If leadership isn't driving it, modeling it, and investing in it, your team won't either. Today, we're going to dive into how leadership can transform safety from a compliance task into something that actually protects your people and strengthens your business. First things first, your actions set the tone. People don't just listen to what you say. They are watching what you, the owner or the leader, do. When leaders visibly prioritize safety, it becomes more than just a rule. It becomes a culture and it becomes a shared value. If you really want to lead, don't just write the policy, live it. Show up to the toolbox talks. Give shout out and praise when someone follows the protocol that has been established. Walk the floor, ask questions, be in it with your team. Now here's the big thing. Leaders need training as well. Not the same safety trainings that your team is watching, but actual tools to help them communicate expectations, spot risks, and respond to incidents with confidence. So this is where leadership-specific training comes in. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be relevant. A strong safety culture is built on trust. So if your team doesn't feel safe reporting a concern to you, then you've got a way bigger issue at hand. Set up clear, judgment-free ways for your employees to report their safety concerns. Anonymous boxes, QR forms, weekly check-ins, whatever works best for the culture you've created in your business. Then you take the time to train your leaders and your managers on what the next step is. That follow-through, that is where the trust is built. The next piece in building a world-class safety culture is the data. If you want to move the needle, you need to measure leadership involvement and not just frontline performance. Set clear metrics. How often are leaders walking the job sites? How fast are safety issues resolved? How many team suggestions get implemented? Track it and celebrate the wins. If you want your team to take safety serious, then you as the leader have to start. So you need to get visible, you need to get involved, and you need to get trained. That's how safety stops being just a policy and starts being a part of your culture. If you need help building a safety culture that sticks, The Bunker is here and happy to help. Let's talk about strategies and systems that together we can implement to help move your business from danger to a safe place. Click the link below to schedule some time to meet with me, and together, let's get your business safer.